Good morning, good afternoon. So today we're going to take your chapter 7 math test. So I'm going to record a video for you to follow along with, but I will not be filling in the answers because I want you to do this on your own. But I'm going to read you the directions so you know what to do for each one, and I'll do them with you as we go along, but I'm not going to show you answers because this is something that I need you to do on your own. All right, trying to get the camera view right here. Okay. All right, so number 1, you're going to show me how many counters there are and write it on the line. Count how many yellow circles there are and write it on the line. And if I'm going too fast, feel free to pause it and get your answer down and then move on, because like I said in one of the other videos, I'm not home with you. So I don't know how fast or how slow you're moving on each one of these. So take your time. Don't feel like you have to keep up with me. Feel free to pause me and pause the video and then move on, okay? All right, number 2, same thing. How many circles? Write it on the line. Count how many circles, write it on the line. Okay, number 3, you're going to choose all the ways that show 3. So, or sorry, that show 12. It's number 3. So if this shows 12, circle it. 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 I'm going to tell you there's more than one. So there's going to be at least 2, if not more, that you're going to circle to show me 12. So circle all the ways that show 12. Okay, number 4, you're going to count how many flowers there are. And then if this is a way to show how many flowers there are, yes. So are there, let me scoot it down. There we go. So count how many flowers there are. If there's 13 flowers, you're going to circle yes. If there's not 13 flowers, you're going to circle no or fill in no. If there's 14 flowers, you're going to fill in yes. If there's not 14 flowers, you're going to fill in no. If the amount of flowers equals 10 plus 3, you're going to fill in yes. If the amount of flowers does not equal 10 plus 3, you're going to fill in no. All right, next stage of the test. Number 5, the butterfly, you're going to show me what 10 plus 6 equals. So go ahead and trace over this. 10 plus 6 equals blank. Number 6, you're going to write how many are in the tens frame plus how many are outside of the tens frame equals how many total. Okay, then this one, you're going to draw a line from this blue circle to this blue circle or this blue circle. So this is 16. So if this shows 16, you're going to draw a line here. If this shows 16, you're going to draw a line here. And then same thing with 17. If this shows 17, you're going to draw a line here. If this shows 17, you're going to draw a line there. So one blue dot to one blue dot. For 16, either pick this blue dot or this blue dot. And for 17, pick this blue dot or this blue dot. We're going to skip number 8. Number 9, how many more ones are needed to show the number of peaches? So we have 10 ones, and you're either going to circle 8 or 9. So count how many there are and circle either 8 or 9. Okay. Number 10, you're going to give me an addition problem for these two tens frames, what we've been doing on your math these last couple of weeks. Show me an addition problem to represent those two tens frames with the green blocks. Okay, And then number 11, 10 people are sitting at one table. And there are 2 extra people. How many people are there in all? Whoops, sorry. 10 people are sitting at one table and there are 2 extra people. How many people are there in all? Okay, again, if I'm going too fast, make sure you pause it and take your time. All right, now we're going to do addition problems for these 2 tens frames. So 10, so 1 full tens frame plus how many is in this tens frame equals how many total? And then 13 and 14, you're going to come up with your own addition problem for what equals 11. And then another addition problem using 10. So 10 plus some number equals some number. It can be anything you want under the number of 20. So you can't do 10 plus 11, for instance. Your answer has to equal 20 or less. Okay. All right, I know I went kind of fast, but again, pause it and work at your own pace on that, okay? If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you for watching.